What's up, YouTube? Uh, Sorry about the glare, but I got another video today. I'm just leaving work. The lighting a little messed up. I got the lamp, the map light on, and I open up the that big boy sunroof for y'all until I get outside. But today, what we gonna do? I don't got no gas, so I'm gonna head straight to the gas station. It's about 18 degrees in DC right now, but I did a gas fill up when I had my Scatpack, and that's still on my channel. Go watch that. So I'm gonna do one with the 300 and see if there's any difference. Gas have went down, so I'm expecting it to be like $10 to $15 and different. But I'm about to leave up out of this garage, so let's go ahead and get it. Yeah, we're gonna see what the total numbers is. I got some cars I'm about to do, like some business cars. Cause I originally had them. People who were subscribed for a while know I had some. But they was for the Scatpack. But I changed the channel name. I changed the email, so I'm doing that all over. So I'm gonna have some new cars made. Basically, the cars I'm gonna basically link people, redirect them. Look at that seatbelt, man. Y'all know I don't wear seatbelts, but I'm gonna redirect them to my YouTube, and basically try to get a few people to check me out. Hopefully they like the content and have me let me review their cars. A good dude of mine, when I got my Scatpack, he actually sold it to me, and he moved away. He moved to North Carolina, and I was gonna actually try to link up with him and see if we could do something. I still might actually do that. I'm not gonna tell y'all his name right now. I want to talk to him first. I want to talk to him first and see what he think. Cause he in North Carolina. I can make a trip and do a few whips and then just break down the videos. But I'm gonna holler at him and update y'all on a later date. But man, the DC metro area, man, they ain't really too friendly unless you got a super big name. I don't really think they gon'. I can turn this out now. I don't really think they gonna be willing to just let a dude, you know what I'm saying, come on the joint and test drive a Scatpack or SRT, Jeep, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? But I am gonna try it. It's worth a shot. But so I'm on my way to this gas station. My phone about to die. This is a nice green 300 right here. But my phone about to die. I'm gonna charge it up by the time I get to the gas station. Show y'all the final numbers and then talk a little bit more about it. Alright, I just got to the gas station. It's $2.93. That's a little high right now. I could have went to the jump with about $2.50. You know what I'm saying? But to make it as good of a comparison as it could be, I didn't go to that one because when I had my Scat and I went and got gas was high. I paid like $3.60, so I just went to the first one I seen. And contrary to what most people think, a 13-300 Hemi does not need 93. You don't gotta believe me. Look it up in the owner's manual, because I read all that. I need to know how all my vehicles function. I need to know all the secret little nicks and knacks, all that. It only needs 89. If I'm not mistaken, I think it say 87 allowed, or 87 something like that, but 89 recommended. I'm trying to think of the word. It say 87 something like allowed. Basically saying 87. You could use 87 in it, but then it's like an asterisk that say but you may not get full performance, full power. It's something like 87 allowed, or minimum 87. I mean, not minimum 87. 87 allowed, or something on the lines of accepted. But 89 definitely is say recommended. I had the discussion with the salesman who I bought my car from, and he filled it up and he put 93. I'm like, it don't need that. I had already knew, you know what I'm saying, before. But yeah, I'm about to get gas now. It's like I said, it's 293, 89. So I'm gonna see what those numbers are and get back. So we back in the whip. It took a little bit more than I thought. Especially because this price was about 70 cents cheaper, and I'm not using premium. I'm using mid-grade or extra or whatever the middle one is in your area or your gas station. But yeah, it was completely empty. Should have got gas this morning, but I didn't. But yeah, it was a little bit more than I expected. I ain't fill my gas tank all the way up in a minute though. I commute to work on Metro, so when I need gas, I just been putting like $20, $25 in. But I actually filled it up all the way this time. But yeah, it was completely on. I always wait till my gas light come on. So before I put gas back in it, just because I know it collect a little dirt and whatever inside the tank. I want that level to stay the same. I don't want to go too low or too high, and when I gas back up, all that BS going funneling back through. Could be just a myth, but I always get it at the same spot just so I know don't nothing go through it that I don't want to go through it. And I use gas treatments and stuff like that pretty often too. But I always wait till the light come on though. So I made a time lapse of it. So by now you already just seen it. I think it was what, $50, $52, something like that. Yeah. And I think that's only about $13, $14 cheaper than it was for my Scat, was take 93. So hopefully you like the video. Hopefully it helped you out. If not, if it didn't help you out, I appreciate you watching. Until next time.